Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the hazard lights is located, also known as emergency lights. If you want to know where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way guys, you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now the hazard lights fuses guys, okay, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry guys that we have right here. Now you have two different fuse boxes and today we're working just one that's located directly under the hood. Open the hood, you will face the engine guys on the right side, right here. Okay, under that cover you're going to find a fuse box. Remove that cover and you will see an engine fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, the hazard lights fuse, where you can expect to find it. So first you have these mini blade fuses here, but you have two special fuses right here, multi-block fuses. Let me show you what they look like guys. Okay, let us show you. Like this one, if one of them burns you have to replace the whole fuse box. Some people will get really scared that they're expensive, but we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. But the hazard lights fuse, if you come in this row here, that's fuse 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That fuse number 22 right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.